Digital engagement is crucial for building relationships with loyal and potential customers. That's why in this video, we're talking about what digital engagement is, why it's important, and 3 steps for creating a digital engagement strategy for a better customer experience. So what is it? Digital customer engagement is how customers and businesses interact with each other via technology. We're talking business texting, social media, email, chatbots, customer satisfaction surveys, and forums. Wait, that should be for Chief Magic Wand. I'm reaching out to the magical manufacturer and hey, that goes along with what we're talking about today, like magic. I'll let him know about that too. Earning customer loyalty takes effort. Many customers will disappear after just one bad experience interacting with the business. If it happens twice, you can pretty much expect that customer to never come back. So, businesses gotta get it right the first time. Here's how to do that. Keep data and customer profiles on what they like, their purchase history, and past interactions across multiple platforms. Use all of that data to give your customers a better experience across all channels too. More digital engagement means more data, means a better customer experience, means higher profits. It's that easy. Hi. This seemed like a good time to interrupt myself and let you know that Nextiva has an AI-powered contact center that can keep track of all of what I just mentioned in one beautiful place. To learn more, follow that link in our description. Finally, they responded to my 3rd email. Take note, this customer service isn't magical. Ready for the 3 steps for creating a digital engagement strategy? Well, follow me into the mystical, mysterious world of planning. The first step? Start by setting data-driven, actionable business goals. This is essential for any plan. If your goal is to launch a new product, for example, look at the analytics to see if awareness among your customers is low. Next, each digital channel needs its own strategy. Here are some examples. Live webinars have all the benefits of doing a live auditorium-style talk, but without the need for the auditorium. Businesses can test messaging with a small group, hear feedback, and adjust for the next group. Businesses can also take advantage of social media marketing opportunities. Let customers know what their company is all about by posting engaging content, hearing what customers have to say, and keeping their brand fresh in customers' minds. They can also create a personal connection with customers seeking support by providing live chat and messaging options. With this channel, agents can help more customers in less time. Better for the agents and faster for the customers. Finally, the magical manufacturer got back to me. Wait, no, I didn't want another wand. I wanted them to fix this one. Maybe I can... Don't be like the magical wand manufacturer. They don't engage with their customers, don't take the time to understand their issues, and aren't worried how unsatisfied I am with their product. Lastly, keep track of the data you gather from customer interactions on all of your channels. The right contact center can simplify the process for agents and provide a personalized and positive experience for customers. Moral of this video, digital engagement can significantly enhance a business's ability to connect with customers, offer valuable experiences, and build long-term loyalty. Want to learn more about Nextiva's contact center? Dive deeper via the link in the description. Have another customer experience question? Ask in the comments. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog powered by Amazing Service. Until next time. Where's my laptop? Where is my laptop? It was just here a second ago.